Welcome. What we're going to do right now is a quick chemical reaction between acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate. And we're going to hopefully demonstrate the law of conservation mass as we do it. We're going to first get a Ziploc baggie, and that's where our chemical reaction is going to take place. To this, the first thing I'm going to add is a universal indicator. This is a pH indicator, and basically the way that works is it will change color depending on the pH of the solution. So I put a few drops of universal indicator in there. It will not participate in the chemical reaction, it will just show you that a chemical reaction might be taking place. The next thing I do is I'm going to take about 20 milliliters of vinegar, acetic acid, measured out in my graduated cylinder. I'm going to add it to my baggie. You'll immediately see a color change in the indicator, and that's not because of a chemical reaction, that's because it's indicating the pH of my acetic acid. Next, I have some baking soda here. This is sodium bicarbonate, and I'll be placing this very carefully into my Ziploc bag. Try to get most of the air out and zip it closed. And the reason for this is so that we have a contained reaction site. We have our acetic acid and our sodium bicarbonate present, and I'm going to find the mass right now before they begin reacting. It's going to be a little bit challenging to get it all on the balance, but once it's there, we ought to be able to take and record the balance. It's over 20 grams. Okay, maybe over 30 grams. There we go. Looks like right at 38.8 grams right now. So if the law of conservation mass holds true, after we allow this to react, we should have 38.8 grams of products. So what I'll do to allow the reaction to take place, hold it, and just simply pour the sodium bicarbonate in and allow it to react. Hopefully you can observe what's taking place. Make sure you feel the outside of the bag. You might actually feel and be able to make other observations just by touch without contaminating your fingers. Allow the reaction to take place. When it looks like it's about done, fold it all back up, place it back on your balance, and make sure everything's on there. See if we've got the same mass. Right now it looks like we have a little bit not quite enough mass. So I'm going to scoot this back. Scoot it back just a little bit more. And my final mass looks to be about 38.2 grams. So I lost a little bit of mass. I don't know where that mass went, but that's something that you can figure out. Thanks and good luck.